Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with Zero to Income, and today we're going to go over the video section of your service-based template. So here's something to kind of keep in mind. Let's jump over and take a look at this right now on our Systeme.io account in the website editor. And if you scroll down into the area where you're going to pop your video in, here's something to kind of keep in mind. All right. You don't necessarily have to have a video section on your website. This is not one of those things that it's like, oh my gosh, if you don't have it, it's not going to be terrible. It can help though. It can help engagement. It also kind of helps build that know, like, trust. It lets people know who you are. It gives them opportunities to see what you're all about. It gives you an opportunity to say, hey, what's your business about? How long have you been in business? What kind of services do you provide? How are you different than everybody else? And lastly, giving them a call to action. Let them know, hey, schedule a service down below. And so that's what this is all about. And again, if you don't have to have a video section. You can literally just go up here and delete the section and it'll be gone. All right. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep this video section. And our background here is going to be a white background. So I'm going to click into the section and I'm going to go over here to our background color over here on the left. Going to click on that and we're going to make this a white background. And then here we're going to keep this here. We're going to go ahead and change to kind of a darker. And then we'll do something like all about battleground sprinklers and landscaping. Okay. And I'm going to take this. There's still a little bit right here that I'm going to take out. All right. And let's just make sure that we're matching the font. Looks like we are. All right. So right now what we've got is just an image element, but we're going to swap this out and we're going to make it in a video element. So I'm going to take that out. And then what I'm going to go over here, I'm just going to, again, click in here and I'm going to click in there again. Here's all of our different elements. I'm going to pop a video in there. I'm going to drag this video option. I'm going to drag that. I'm going to pop it below the landscaping. And so you see how right now, if I drop it, it's going to be right underneath that start my membership button. You see the blue line going across. And if I move this up a little bit, now it's going to drop it right below landscaping. So I'm going to do that. All right. And so there is kind of the default Systeme.io video. We're going to click into that. And then we can either do a direct link, and you can, if you've got a YouTube video, which there's nothing wrong with having it as an unlisted YouTube video. If you wanted to, you could do an upload file, pop the URL in there, just like that. And there, it's already pulled in the video just like that. I'm going to keep the autoplay controls off. Okay, I don't want to play automatically. I want the visitor to actually click on play. That's just more of a courtesy to them. So if somebody's looking at it at work or they're in a public place, they're not going to open up the website and have this thing start playing. And then we're going to click on the controls and have the controls on. So that's going to let them control whether or not it plays or not. And so we're going to do a save. And I'm going to use the eyeball to go and take a peek at it. We'll click out of here, scroll on down. And there it is. Watch on YouTube if we wanted to. We'll go ahead and click on the play button. What's going on? Sean here with Battlegrounds. Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with Battle. And there it is. We've got a video now on our page. Next thing we want to do, of course, is fix our call to action button. We're going to go in here. I've got a schedule a service. We're going to pop that in over here. And I have a button that I've saved into blocks. So I'm going to go over to blocks. And then once blocks opens up, I'm going to go to my blocks. And this is a button that I've created and saved so I can just use it whenever I need to. I don't have to keep recreating it. I'm going to pop it in there. I'm going to take this one out. Yes. And there we go. Our video section's all done. Now, what I want to do is just, again, double check the mobile side. I think the schedule a service button is a little close to here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Click on that again. And then I'm going to go down here. We got a margin top of 20. And I think I want more space. Something along the lines of maybe 35. Okay, I'm going to save changes. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here to our main site. I'm going to right click. I'm going to do an inspect. And the reason being, I want to see again how things are looking at different screen sizes. So if you aren't seeing this, right up here, top right hand corner, this little icon right here is the toggle device toolbar. If I click that off, it's just going to give me the whole page. If I click that on, it now drops this into where I can now look at the different devices. Up here in the upper kind of left-hand corner here, or the left side of our controls, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to make it responsive. Okay. So right now we're kind of iPad type size. Here I want to scroll down or scroll up. There it is there. And then go to small laptop size, which would be right in there, small laptop size. And that's all looking fine. I'm happy with that. I can see that that didn't save properly. Let's do save changes. I'm going to go back over here to desktop mode. And again, we're going to go ahead and just do a refresh. Okay, and then we'll scroll on back down to our video section, and there it is. Our small laptop display looks fine too. So we'll pop back over here again, scroll back up a little bit, and I'm happy with that. Everything's looking good. So now we have a video section for our service-based website template. Thanks for watching, everybody.